This is a 1971 Windsor model P-23 20-inch box fan. Fan was made by Lakewood. It's overall in really good shape for its age. The grills aren't exactly in the best condition, but the fan is. Blades are perfectly balanced and everything. All the electrical's good. The motor runs like brand new. And there's no rust in it. All the stuff down there's dirt. There's a lot of dirt in it. You can see I kind of wrote the model number on there after the little sticker that was down there fell off when I cleaned the fan, and I couldn't put it back on. See, there's some dirt on the motor because this fan saw a lot of use for about 4 summers straight here in my house. I never actually gave it a proper cleaning or nothing. I just took it apart and dusted all the dust off it with a paintbrush and put a couple of drops of oil in it. Kept it running. It was always a happy fan. It ran good. And then after about 3 years, the motor was getting kind of plugged up with dust, so instead of taking it apart and brushing everything out, I just took it out to my garage in my workshop and blasted it out with the air compressor. So that made it all happy again. So this fan's going to need a full tearing apart and complete cleaning and everything to be a really good, nice looking fan again. And then it'll probably go back up into my bedroom for display, just like it was for about over a year before I decided to bring it back downstairs here. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.